How to embed YouTube video on your Google Sites. Hello guys, this is Atticus. Welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can embed YouTube video on your Google site website. So let's get started. First step, open up your project or your site in Google Sites. I'm using a default template on Google Sites. And after you're here, what you'll need to do is you'll need to add a content block. So let's just add a content block. I'll just add this at random. Then tap on this plus icon. After you tap on the plus icon, you'll find YouTube option right here. Select YouTube. After you select YouTube, all you have to do is copy the link for your YouTube and paste it right here. Now you can search for YouTube right here as well, but I'll just paste a URL from this YouTube and paste this, then tap on OK. And after you've done this, what you can then do is locate the YouTube video. It's not working. Let me do that again. Let me do this again and hit enter. There we go. Now press on this video that just pops up, then add it here, tap on insert, and you've embedded YouTube video. Now this can take some time, wait for a bit, and as you can see, changes have been saved in Drive and the YouTube video is embedded on the website. And it's that simple guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.